hidden in the middle of Paterson, New Jersey, is a force of nature powerful enough to inspire the building of a city and to help launch America's Industrial Revolution. In July of 1778, during the Revolutionary War, George Washington, Marquis de Lafayette, and members of Washington's entourage stopped here for a picnic beside the falls. Alexander Hamilton may have been among them. According to the story, while the others admired the view, Hamilton saw something more. When Washington supposedly asked what had captured his attention, Hamilton answered with a single word: power. Years later, as the nation's first Secretary of the Treasury, Hamilton returned to that idea. He believed America needed to manufacture its own goods instead of depending on foreign powers. In 1791, he helped create the Society for Establishing Useful Manufactures. The following year, it purchased the land surrounding these falls and established Paterson. Water was redirected through a system of raceways, powering mills and factories that produced textiles, locomotives, machinery, and countless other goods. These brick walls were once part of a city alive with invention, ambition, and the labor of generations of people. Today, the mills are quieter, some windows are dark, but the water still moves with the same relentless force. And if you stand here long enough, beyond the roar of the falls, you can almost hear the echoes of the city America was still dreaming of becoming. And this is only one chapter. There is so much more history and so much more to discover in Paterson. More stories are coming.